Okay. See you tomorrow at the food court. I heard it is a slice of life. 6 episodes, very, very, very short. Recommended by the chicken, so thank you. I believe there's only these 2 girls as characters, I think. Yamamoto and Wada. Alright, the opening story is cute. Okay. Okay. The choreography is just funny. That was cute.